Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about 3D origami. 3D origami doesn't require any special skill, just a little patience. 3D origami does take time and patience, but the results are worth your efforts. And you will find the cutting and folding process very relaxing. And the great thing about 3D origami is you don't require any special papers. You can use origami paper, you can use newspaper, even you can use printout papers. So the next question is how to cut 3D origami paper, right?
For 3D origami cutting, you need full A4 size paper. Starting with the paper with the shorter side on the bottom, fold the paper in half, fold in half again, fold in half one last time. Unfold the paper and rotate to the longer side on the bottom. Then fold the paper in half and fold the paper in half again. Unfold and cut on the folded lines to get your 3D origami pieces.
So the next question is how to make and fold 3D origami pieces.
Take one piece of paper with the longer side on the bottom and fold in half. Next, fold in half again, just make a mark. Fold down half the piece at an angle so that the folded lines are up to the crease in the middle. Be sure not to overlap these folds. Flip the piece over and fold outside corners and fold the top two flaps down. You'll end up with a triangle. Fold in half and you are done. Let's make one more origami piece.
And thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please hit the like and subscribe button for more creative contents like this. Thank you.